Okay, so I'm going to stop this right here and kind of explain what's going on. What it was, a couple days ago, I was out back putting out some bird seed for the birds and the bird feeders. And the two mockingbirds, two male and female mockingbirds, were dive bombing me like crazy and squawking. And then also the bluebird, I don't know if there was just the one or both of them, but and they don't really dive bomb too much. They kind of will, but mostly they sit there and kind of clack their beaks, make this kind of clacking sound, and I could hear that, and I was like, okay, there's probably a baby mockingbird assumed around here. I didn't know what the bluebird was doing, but so I thought, okay, I'm gonna look and see if there's a little fledgling mockingbird. So I looked around, and in the video you'll see where he's at, and so I thought, okay, they're trying to feed it, and I thought maybe the bluebird, I do have a nesting box for them a little ways away from that, and they do have babies in there. So I thought, well, everybody's just squawking because I was kind of close or whatever. And so I got my camera set up on tripod and started filming it. I'm about 30 to 40 feet away, probably, from where that is, and so I started filming it, and I kept seeing the bluebird. It looked like he was trying to get to the little baby mockingbird, and the mockingbirds were squawking and trying to fend it off or whatever they're doing. But eventually, I seen the mockingbirds would kind of go away a little bit. I guess they were getting food, and then the bluebird would go down there to the baby. Now the baby's in grass, so it's a little hard to see at the beginning, especially. But it finally gets where you can see it better, and I couldn't really know what it was doing at first. I was just like, what is it doing? Because I'm looking on my little tiny screen on my camera, and so that went on. I filmed that for 45 minutes or something until my battery went dead, and so when I got it inside and I downloaded it on my computer, that's when I seen this bluebird. It looked like he was feeding the mockingbird. So I Googled that. I said, is that common for a bluebird to feed a mockingbird baby fledgling? And I said, no, it's very rare. Actually, super rare, because mockingbirds are very protective of their babies when they come out of the nest, and they will do what they were doing basically. So it's very rare. And it said, and I was like, okay, was it ever been filmed or anything? It said it had been photographed before. It has been documented quite a few times, but nobody had ever actually filmed it with video or current video. The only photographs, from what it said, was black and white photos from 1964 in Florida. And so I'm like, okay, well, I just caught something that's apparently never been filmed before. So that's the reason I'm uploading this. But yeah, when I got it, it definitely looks like I'm positive the bluebird is feeding the mockingbird fledgling. Numerous times he went down there, and like I said, my camera died, and I finally just went inside because it was starting to get towards dusk a little bit. So anyway, I went on inside. The next day, they were still out there doing it. It was in a different location, the mockingbird, and I kept seeing the bluebird. He was getting close. I don't know I couldn't see if he was feeding because it was on the other side of the fence in my neighbor's yard by that time. So I didn't know what he was doing. I assumed he was still feeding the mockingbird. I just couldn't film that because I couldn't see it. It's a wooden fence, so I couldn't see on the other side. But so yeah, they're gone now. I mean, they seem to be. I guess they flew off. The baby got eaten. I don't know what happened, but so anyway. So here's the film, the video that I captured. I edited out tons of it to where it's like, I don't know, 5 minutes long or something. And it shows the baby, the little fledgling. The mom and dad mockingbird are feeding it, and then you see the bluebird coming in and feeding it too. So anyway, Anyway, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it. Maybe this will get shared somewhere, and for because if it's never been filmed before, then maybe it'll, I don't know, somebody will know something about it anyway. So here it is. You can watch it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And also, the background noise you hear in the background is a air conditioning window unit that I really wasn't paying attention to that when I was filming it. But anyway, that's what that is, if you're wondering what that noise is.